the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools, presenting the 810 Pro Laser Nail Gripper. This handy and easy-to-use home improvement tool lets you line up shelves, pictures, cabinets, tiles, wall coverings, mirrors, and more, and safely hammer in nails. The 810 Pro Laser Nail Gripper has a pressure-activated on and off switch which projects a highly visible laser line when set against a flat surface. The laser has a range of up to 20 feet or 6 meters, so you can line up your fixtures in relation to any point in the room. 2 integrated level vials let you clearly align the laser horizontally or vertically. The 810 is designed with a patented rubber grip which firmly grasps any size nail or screw for safe and easy nailing. The 810 comes with a magnetic wristband that gives you a quick and easy access to nails or screws once the laser is in position. So Capro's patented 810 Pro Laser Nail Gripper keeps your hands safe and your room layout straight. Be sure to see what other cutting-edge innovations Capro has to offer at Capro.com. Another innovative solution by Capro.
The Zanco S Pen redefines compactness. It is your one-stop personal assistant. Equipped with a microphone, a voice recorder, a speaker, a 3.5 headset, a laser and stylus pen, a micro 5-pin USB, a nano SIM and micro SD, Bluetooth 3.0 connection. It is your one-stop pocket-sized office assistant. Your must-have product for 2019. Back this campaign now and be the first to own the intelligent and compact device.
dryer is a safe and gentle item which can save your shoes from being damp and smelly. After long working hours, you put the dryer into your shoes before sleeping and you can get them warm and dry in the morning. The length adjustment feature can meet different shoe sizes, either sneakers or work shoes, and it can easily dry them. After use, pull out the plug and take it out. You're welcome to try Cooter Shoe Dryer, a home essential you'll not regret.
Are you looking for the right tools to make great barbecue with less effort and more style? Let's start you with no mess, no rest, and no wet gloves, because you can wash them like you're washing your hands. The best thing about silicone gloves is that they are waterproof and stain-proof, so that allows you to use them and then wash them like you were washing your hands and back to work again. The mess just quickly washes off and the gloves take no downtime for drying. Waterproof also means you are protected from those hot sauces seeping through to your fingers. Waterproof, stain-proof, and odor-proof. Yes, odor-proof. With these gloves, you won't ever have to worry about having smelly hands again. It has happened so many times when the chef gets too exhausted prepping, and when it's time to eat, you need to take a break. Not anymore. These meat shredder claws are the bomb. They make child play of shredding. They are designed to be light and strong, so you channel only the light effort needed for shredding. You will do it in record time and in style. Pick up hot meat like a bear with no care. Lift and move your meat in style with these claws. They actually work better than gloves as they are able to secure the meat better and leave more room between your fingers and the hot food. Have you ever hosted a barbecue party and had your guests pull out unwanted bristles from their mouths? Our baster allows you to do your job professionally without leaving those embarrassing and irritating bristles on your food. Unlike the traditional ones, the silicone and plastic handle make them very easy to clean. Go ahead and host that party, worry-free. Why work harder when you can work smarter? Add this formidable asset to your arsenal of barbecue or smoking tools to achieve more while spending less effort and time. They are functionally matched to do their own special role in your smoking or barbecue repertoire. This bright orange and black set is exciting to behold, great to use, and easy to clean.